Meaning of key light.
Key light.
Key light.
Key light.
Key light. Key light is a term used in photography and videography to refer to the main source of light illuminating the subject or scene being photographed. It's typically the brightest and most important light in a lighting setup, and its position and intensity can have a significant impact on the overall mood and tone of the image or footage. The key light is usually placed off to one side of the subject, at a 45-degree angle from the camera, and is often accompanied by other lights, such as fill lights and backlighting, to create a well-balanced and visually appealing composition.